Right now, the world generates over 2.1 billion tons of waste each year, and if we don't change how we manage it, that number will rise to 3.8 billion tons by 2050, enough trash to cover the entire city of New York multiple times over. So I started asking myself, why is it so hard to just throw things the right way?
Hi, my name is Sonia Mata, and that question is what led me to create EcoSort. It started at school when I saw our janitors dumping both recycling and trash into the same dumpster, not because they were careless, but because students hadn't sorted their waste properly in the first place. The bins were filled with the wrong items, and it was easier to throw everything away than try to fix it. That moment made me realize the real problem wasn't apathy, it was confusion, and that confusion exists far beyond just my school.
That confusion costs us more than just recyclables. Over $300 million is wasted each year in the U.S. from missorted trash. And when our food or compostable waste goes to landfills, it releases methane, a greenhouse gas 86 times more potent than carbon dioxide. Today, landfills are the third largest source of methane emissions in the U.S. All of this happens because people don't know what to do at the bin. That's why I built EcoSort, a mobile app that helps you figure out how to dispose of any item properly. Whether it's recycling, compost, landfill, or special items like styrofoam or electronics, EcoSort tells you exactly where it belongs based on your local rules. EcoSort supports the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDG 12 Responsible Consumption and Production, and SDG 13 Climate Action. By reducing landfill waste and avoiding emissions, EcoSort turns small choices into a global impact. So here are the basics of how EcoSort works. You scan an item using your phone's camera. EcoSort uses image recognition to identify it, then tells you how to dispose of it correctly based on your location and local waste rules. You can also search your item manually if you prefer. As you sort, EcoSort tracks your progress with personalized stats, like how many items you sorted, how much carbon dioxide equivalent you've avoided, and how much waste you've kept out of landfills. You can also add items to a disposable cart, and for things you can't go in your regular bins, EcoSort shows you the nearest drop-off locations on a map and gives you directions. It turns everyday sorting into something smart, measurable, and easy to act on. Because EcoSort lives on your phone, it's designed to help you in the exact moment you're about to throw something away. We take our phones everywhere, so using one to reduce waste is a no-brainer. Posters and signs get ignored, but EcoSort gives you a real-time answer right when you need it. There are other waste management apps, but they're limited compared to EcoSort. EcoSort is one of the only apps with built-in image recognition, so you can just point and scan. And when you're dealing with harder to dispose items, you can add them to a cart and EcoSort maps out the shortest route to a local drop-off point, so nothing gets left behind. Not only is EcoSort effective, it's also safe and impactful at scale. It uses Firebase to securely manage account logins, just basic info like a username or email. All sorting activity stays anonymous, and we don't track your location history or store what you scan. And the potential impact? If just 10,000 people use EcoSort each month, we could prevent over 63 million kilograms of carbon dioxide equivalent every year.
EcoSort helps people sort smarter, waste less, and take real climate action, one item at a time. I created it because most of us wants to do the right thing, we just don't always know how. With EcoSort, making the right choice is easy, so let's stop guessing and let's sort it out together.